If you have ever searched how to make money online, I'm sure you have probably seen dozens of videos promising thousands of dollars overnight. I've been guilty of that in the past, but having coached quite a few persons over the last 2 years, I've come to realize that different people learn in different ways and that my own experiences may not be replicated by others who execute the same strategies. And the issue with a lot of these videos is that most of them leave you even more confused than when you started. You see, rock stars, the truth is that making money online is very real. I do it every single day from several sources, and so do others. But it does take time, it takes strategy, and it takes consistency. All that said, if you're willing to learn and put in the effort, you can build something that brings in income month after month that can potentially change your life. So in this video, I'm gonna show you step by step how I'd start from scratch in 2026 to make my first $1,000 online. And this is without experience, without technical skills, and without hiring anyone. Now, I want to be clear. There's absolutely no guarantee that you're gonna make this $1,000. But because I've done it myself, and I have coached others who have done it successfully, I know it's possible. Welcome back to the Rockstar Academy. I'm excited that you're here today and that you opted to click play when this video popped up. I do not take your presence for granted. Now, before we dive in, let's talk about the foundation, which is your mindset. Most people fail online, not because the opportunity isn't real, but because they give up too early. They try something for 2 weeks, maybe 3. They don't see any results, and then they conclude that it doesn't work. And here's what I've learned from building multiple streams of income over time. You don't fail when something doesn't work. You fail when you stop improving it or when you stop trying. So as we go through these steps, I want you to remember this. If you're serious about making your first $1,000 online, I want you to treat it like a business from day one, not an experiment or a hobby. Now, step 2, after you have developed that mindset, is to find a profitable idea. And in finding an idea, it's not going to be a random thought or a random idea, but one that solves a problem or helps someone. Ask yourself these 3 questions. What am I good at or enjoy learning about? What do people constantly ask me for or ask me to help with? And the third is, are people already spending money in this area? Here are some simple examples that you can explore. I don't want you to overthink it. Pick something that you can talk about or explore on a weekly basis without losing interest. And let's move to step 3, which is building your platform, and we're going to use AI to do this. Having developed your idea, whatever you decide on, you're going to need a platform, your home online basically. And in 2026, you can actually use AI tools to create something professional in a matter of minutes, even as a beginner. Let me show you exactly how easy it is to do this. And we're going to use this example, which is the Healthy Meal Planner for Busy Professionals, to demonstrate this. And what we're going to create is a site that helps people to eat better and save time. Now, here's how you bring this to life step by step. And I'm going to grab my tablet here so that we can do it together, but you can use a phone or a computer to do this. Now, step 1 is to get started, and the best part is you'll be able to start for free. Go ahead and head to the link that I've placed at the top of the description for this video, and you can click start for free. And if later on you want to get the paid version, you can use code Odetta and you'll get 10% off the already reduced price when you're ready to upgrade. Now, step 2 is to describe your website. And in the prompt box here, we're going to describe our site just like you're texting a teammate. Here's an example. Build a website to share healthy meal plans and sell downloadable weekly meal planners, grocery lists, and easy recipe guides for busy professionals. Then we're going to select start for free, as I'm doing here. Next, you're going to be asked to create an account, and I'm going to go ahead and use my Google login because it's faster. But you can sign in with your email if that's your preference. Now, Hosting Horizons, which is the tool that we're going to use, will take about a minute to build your site. And when it's done, as you can see here, you're going to see a beautiful, fully designed homepage with vibrant colors, modern animations, and a layout that looks like a professional nutrition coach paid a software developer to build it. All I can say is, wow. This is stunning. You can go ahead and click edit content to start customizing your site as you see fit. Hosting Horizons actually act as your designer, your developer, and copywriter all in one, creating both a desktop version, as I'm showing you here, and a mobile friendly version, and it does so automatically from the simple prompt that we entered. Now, step 3 is to refine with additional AI prompts. You can go ahead and review your auto-built site and personalize it. As an example, let's say you want to make some quick tweaks, like add a section for testimonials so that people who have used your site and experienced success can share their personalized testimonials. You can also enter make the hero section simpler or create a resource page with free recipe downloads. And as I'm showing you here, Hosting Horizons deliver exactly what we're asking for. You're literally talking to your web designer, but it's AI that's doing the work for you in a matter of seconds. Now let's move to step 4, which is to add your digital products to your website. We're gonna go ahead and upload our first digital products. And if you're not sure how to create these digital products, you can watch this video here that I'm popping up on screen, and I'm also gonna link it in the description of this video that will show you how to create different digital products. That said, let's say that the digital product that you're uploading is the 5-day healthy meal plan for busy professionals, and it's a PDF. You're gonna follow the simple steps to upload it as a PDF to Hosting Horizons. You're then gonna set the price. Let's use $9 as an example, and you can go ahead and add 2 to 3 benefit bullets. Things like save 5 hours a week on meal prep, or eat balanced, delicious meals on a busy schedule, or grocery list included to get people to convert and purchase your PDF. Then you're gonna upload a few mock-ups of your meal planner pages or your recipe previews so people will know what to expect. If you have multiple meal planners, as an example, vegetarian edition or budget meal plans, create a meal planner collection category to keep everything organized on your website. And you're gonna find that it's extremely easy to do that using Hosting Horizons. Now, step 5 is to add user accounts with Superbase. We're gonna make it easy and secure for buyers to get access after they have purchased something. Let's say a PDF, they get access to it immediately. In integrations here, we're gonna connect Superbase, as I'm showing you here on screen, and then you're gonna add a sign up or a login button to your website header and restrict the download page to only logged in users. That way someone can't send the link to someone who has not paid for your PDF and they get access to it. Now, by doing this, when someone buys your meal plan, they can log in anytime and download their file instantly. No manual emailing or tracking required. Now, step 6 is to connect payments, because of course we have to earn from these products. And to get paid, you can enable Stripe and also PayPal as an option. You can do so by placing live API keys from those platforms, choosing your store currency, whether you want US dollars or Jamaican as an example, or whatever fits the market that you're selling in, and then you can link your meal plan product to checkout. Go ahead and make sure you run a quick test to purchase your product, and in doing so, ensure that the process flows smoothly. The nice thing about Horizons is that payments are built right in to the platform with no extra plugins, no technical setup. It's clean and it's very simple for your customers to check out. Now, step 7 is to customize your brand and SEO. Add a click-worthy title, something like Healthy Meal Planner for Busy Professionals. Write your meta description, something like Discover quick, affordable meal plans, grocery lists, and recipes designed for people with no time to cook. That's going to pull people in. You can also go ahead and upload your personalized logo, and you can set your brand colors. And for this particular PDF, I would suggest colors like green, gold, and white for clean wellness energy. Now, Horizons automatically follows SEO best practices, so your site will be optimized for Google searches like easy meal plans for professionals or healthy weekly meal plan PDFs or meal planner PDFs. Now, step 8 is to set up your professional email. And this is one way that we make your brand look official. With Hostinger, you can actually create a professional email address, something like Odetta at healthymealplanner.com, all hosted in one place. Your domain, hosting, and email, they actually live together for convenience, and if you choose the yearly plan, you'll get both your domain and the hosting plan free of cost. Now, what you're gonna find is that setup actually takes seconds, and it's gonna instantly boost your credibility when people see your branded email. Now, step 9 is to publish your website. When everything looks good, click publish, and your site goes live with one click. No manual uploads, no technical headaches. You can even export your project, share access with collaborators who can provide input. You can manage your site as well in over 20 languages, and you can actually use Horizons AI chat in more than 80 languages. Plus, you have 24/7 expert customer support and a 30-day money-back guaranteed. So you're covered while you grow. You can't ask for better than that. So here's the thing. If you're sitting or have been sitting on an idea, whether it's a blog, a digital shop, or your first online business, this is your sign to launch it today. Now that your website is live, let's move on to the next step, which is turning your idea into actual income. Now, for this example, let's use our healthy meal planner website as an example. Here are 3 realistic ways that you can earn from it. The first is through affiliate marketing. You can actually sign up for affiliate programs that fit your niche. As an example, Amazon Associates, and you can use it to promote blenders, lunch containers, or meal prep kits and earn when persons click on the link and buys those products. You can also earn affiliate income from Canva, assuming you use it to design your planners, or you can even make money from Hostinger's own program if you want to share this same tool to others so that they can use it to create blogs or websites. You can also write blog posts. As an example, 5 kitchen tools that save me an hour a day, and include affiliate links inside that blog. Every time someone clicks and buys, you earn a commission. You can also make money from digital products. You can create them once and sell them forever, literally earning while you sleep. As an example, you can design a $9 weekly meal planner or a healthy grocery checklist, and you can do so in Canva as an example. You can upload it to your site or platform, and what you're gonna find is that sales may take time to build up, but over time, each sale will add up. And because of that, your site will become an online vending machine that runs 24/7. You can also sell services like coaching. If you love helping others, especially one-on-one, you can add work with me as a page on your personalized website so that people can benefit from your personalized coaching and pay a small amount for doing so. This coaching could be a meal planning consultation, fitness guidance, or even mindset coaching, all powered by your website. Now, as a disclaimer, ensure that the knowledge that you're sharing, you're qualified to do so. The key, rock stars, is to start with one monetization path first. Don't try to do everything at once. Once you've mastered one, then you can layer in others, and that's how you turn a small website into a full-time business that makes income. Now that your website can earn money, the next step is getting people to actually visit it. And that's where the traffic and the trust comes in. You see, your website is like a store, but no one can buy from it if they don't know it exists. So you're gonna need to get eyes on your content. And here's what's actually working in 2026. Searchable content. You can use Hostinger's built-in SEO tools, like I mentioned earlier, to help your site show up on Google. Social proof. Create short educational clips or tips related to your niche and post them on Instagram as a reel, on TikTok, or as a YouTube short, but remember to always link it back to your website. You can also use Pinterest and email marketing. These two actually bring consistent passive traffic if you do so regularly and creatively. Traffic doesn't explode overnight. It actually builds. So be patient. But once people trust you, everything starts to change. You start seeing clicks, you start seeing signups, and eventually payments. Now, all that said, let's talk about the truth that no one tells you. Your first $1,000 online, it may not come easily, and it may not come in a few weeks or even a few months. Sometimes it won't even come in a year. It's gonna take effort. Posting consistently, improving your content, testing different offers, and learning from what does not work. But the beauty of this process is that once it starts working, it usually doesn't stop. You build momentum with your first maybe $100, which turns into $500, which turns into $1,000 and beyond. The tools that I just shared, it makes it much easier. Your discipline is what's gonna make it real. So if you take nothing from this video today, take this. You can absolutely make money online in 2026, but it won't happen by luck or by shortcuts. It happens by learning, applying, and staying consistent. And remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but it happens over time. And this is when you don't give up. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Until next time, walk good.